Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the Gorilla Cart's GOR400-COM steel garden cart, a versatile and robust solution for all your gardening and landscaping needs. This garden wagon features a durable steel mesh frame that's easy to assemble, with innovative removable side panels that quickly convert it into a flatbed cart for larger loads. Maneuvering is a breeze with its 10-inch pneumatic tires, tight turn radius, and smooth steering, allowing you to tackle any terrain with stability and ease. With a 400-pound capacity and a 34 by 18-inch bed, this heavy-duty cart can tow all your essentials effortlessly. The comfortable, straight pull handle makes hauling heavy loads a breeze, perfect for any landscaping or gardening project. Designed for strength and performance, Gorilla Carts are built to help you get your projects done, no matter the size, while having fun along the way. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, you can trust in the years of quality and innovation that Gorilla Carts bring to your outdoor adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.